will discuss what is the pH value of a salts. Students, in the previous video, we have studied that salts are formed by the neutralization reaction, in which an acid reacts with base to form salt. It means the salt solution will be neutral and its pH value will be 7. When salts dissolve in water, maximum salts are neutral, but some salts produce acidic or basic solution when they dissolve in water. We have now three types of salts: neutral salt, acidic salt, and basic salts. We will discuss one by one. Firstly, we will discuss the neutral salt. Neutral salts are formed by the combination of strong acid with a strong base. HCl is a strong acid when it reacts with strong base NaOH to form NaCl, which is a neutral salt, and water. In case of neutral salt, the number of H plus ion produced by strong acid and number of OH minus ion produced by strong base are equal. Therefore, they neutralize each other and to form neutral salt. Neutral salts have pH value 7. Therefore, they do not affect the litmus solution or litmus paper. Examples of neutral salts are potassium chloride KCl, sodium chloride NaCl, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, CaCl2 calcium chloride, K2SO4 potassium sulfate, etc. Second type of salt is acidic salt. Acidic salt is formed when a strong acid reacts with weak base. Its name is ammonium chloride. When acidic salt hydrolyzed means dissolved in water, they break down into its constituent acids and base. This process is also reversed. We will use the arrow in both the direction, in the forward as well as in the backward direction. In forward direction, here we have shown that ammonium chloride, which is an acidic salt, when it hydrolyzes, they form its constituent base and acids. And when constituent acids and base combine to form an acidic salt. To understand why this ammonium chloride is an acidic salt, we will take a beaker which containing ammonium chloride solution. In ammonium chloride solution, it contains both its constituent base and acid, that is ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base, it produces lesser number of OH minus ion when dissolved in water. While HCl is a strong acid, it produces large number of H plus ion in water. In the solution of ammonium chloride, we have maximum number of H plus ion due to strong acid and lesser number of OH minus ion due to weak base. Students, see here, the number of H plus ion is more than that of OH minus ion. And when the H plus ion is more in the solution will be acidic. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl, ammonium sulfate NH4 2SO4, both are acidic salts. Acidic salts have pH value less than 7. The pH value of ammonium chloride is less than 7. It is 6. It turns blue litmus red. Third type of salt solution we have, that is basic salt solution. Basic salts produced by the combination of weak acid with a strong base. Here carbonic acid is an weak acid when it combined with sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, to form basic salt, that is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate have pH value 9, which is more than 7. Therefore, it is basic in nature. Basic salts turn red litmus blue. When sodium carbonate hydrolyzed in water, it gives its constituent acids and base. It means when sodium carbonate hydrolyzed, it gives carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. Its reverse is also possible. Hence, we will use arrow in both the forward as well as in the backward direction, because carbonic acid combined with the sodium hydroxide to form sodium carbonate. To study the nature of sodium carbonate salts, again we will take a beaker which containing the sodium carbonate solution. Sodium carbonate solution contains both the carbonic acid and sodium hydroxide. Carbonic acid is a weak acid, therefore it produces lesser number of H plus ion in water, while sodium hydroxide is a strong base, so it produces large number of OH minus ion in water. If the OH minus ion is more, the solution will be basic. Thus, sodium carbonate, sodium acetate, these are the basic salts. In case of sodium acetate, weak acid, acetic acid, and strong base, sodium hydroxide, combine to form sodium acetate. Next day, we will discuss about the common salt, that is sodium chloride, how it is formed, and what are the uses and their properties. Thank you.